Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science Spirit. Today I have made this video in perspective of one of the important topic going on, that is the change in the CBSE syllabus. CBSE has done some changes from class 6 to 12 syllabus, especially the board classes are more important of 10th and 12th because there are so many confusions going on as media reports are there. Many people have given their different perspective, their views on how the syllabus will be reduced. So today I will be sharing with you the change in the syllabus. So for this my resources are the CBSE site cbse.nic.in. I have shared the link of the documents shared by the CBSE in the description box below. You can check out later on. So let's have a look what are the changes made. So I'm starting with class 10 science. So in case of science, it's better if we compare. As you could see, I have compared the previous syllabus with the present syllabus. One important thing I would like to add here is that previously whatever the change CBSE has made, it has been done for this year only. That means after this pandemic situation is over, your old syllabus will be revised back. Let's have a look at the first change. So as we know that there are 5 units in science of chemistry based, chemical substances, nature and behavior. Previously this unit was of 25 marks but presently it is of 26 marks. Even though by looking we can see it's only a 1 mark changes there, but actually inside there are a lot of changes been made. Then the next change we can see in 4th unit, that is the effect of current. In effect of current, previously it was of 13 marks but presently it is of 14 marks only. And the 5th unit, natural resources, previously it was of 7 marks but now it is of 5 marks. Now let's understand actually how much changes have been taking place inside. In the first unit, as you could see on my screen, there are 5 chapters into it. This unit is related to chemistry. It includes all the chapters of chemistry. So out of these 5 chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 5, that is chemical reactions, acid, base and salt and periodic classification of elements. There is no change in any of these 3 chapters. But remaining 2 chapters in metal, non-metal and carbonate compound, you could see from metal, non-metal, the topic which have been removed are metallurgical process. That means those processes from which we are deriving, we are extracting our metal from its ore, and the corrosion and its prevention. So these 2 important topics have been removed. And from carbonates compound, as you can see, these topics which are shown on my screen, so many topics have been removed, just some basic topics are left out. So basic topic means first students will know how the covalent bonding help in making of the carbon compounds, then the double and triple bond. So some of these basics are there. Other than that, all other topics are being removed. Now moving to unit 2. This unit 2, that means word of living, this is a biology based unit which is consisting of 4 chapters. Chapter 6, life process, 7, control coordination, 8, how do organisms reproduce, and 9th, hereditary and evolution. So out of these 4 chapters, chapter 6 and 8, there is no change in these 2 chapters, but the small change which has been done in control coordination and hereditary chapter. From control coordination, the topic which are removed are the plant hormones, conduction and coordination, control and coordination in animals, the nervous system, voluntary, involuntary, reflex section, chemical coordination and animal hormones. And from the hereditary and evolution, entire chapter is there, just one small topic has been removed, that is the basic concept of evolution. Now moving to the 3rd unit, natural phenomena. So this natural phenomena, it is a physics based unit which is consisting of 2 chapters of light, that means the light and the human eye and the colorful world. So from the light, the first part which is consisting of the basics of light like refraction, reflection, lenses and mirrors, everything is intact. From the second chapter which starts with human eye, that means what is human eye, then what are the diseases related to human eye. So these 2-3 topics have been removed, and after that when the processes of light like dispersion and the application of the refraction, dispersion, these topics are still coming. So that means from this unit only the topic like functioning of human eye, the defects in the human eye and some combined questions used to come previously from these 2 chapters, that means the application of the spherical mirrors and the lenses, those are also been removed. Now moving to the 4th unit, the effects of current. So in this unit, it's again a physics based unit which is having 2 chapters into it, chapter 12 and 13. So chapter 12, because it is showing the basis of all the electricity and the current, so no changes in it. The changes have been made in magnetic effect of current. So in magnetic effect of current, the topic which are still there are like your Fleming left hand rule, right hand thumb rule, your DC motor, DC current and all, but the topics which are removed are electric generator, AC current, and the conversion of AC into DC, and the last at home appliances. So some of these topics which are deleted I have shown on my screen. And let's move to the last topic. So in this last topic, you could see that natural resources, there are 3 chapters being shown: sources of energy, our environment, and management of natural resources. So from this, the chapter which is completely removed is source of energy. We know the source of energy are like all kind of conventional and non-conventional energy resources are been removed from our syllabus. That actually was combined with one of the biology based chapter, environment, and then question was used to come from it. So this chapter has been removed. Other than that, chapter 15, there is no change in it. It is there, coming there. Now, especially for chapter 16, there is a small change in being taking place. It's not been removed, but it will not be coming into the final examination. That means, see, out of 100 marks, 80 marks are being assessed by the board as an external assessment, and remaining 20 marks are being assessed by the school as internal assessment. So this management of natural resources, this has been assigned to the schools so that they can use it as a source of internal assessment. So for this, the board has suggested the schools to have some topics from it, have some activities from it as a part of the portfolio. Portfolio, as you all are aware, it is a kind of documentation which is done by the students and the school, especially for the higher classes. So that will be decided by the school itself. So from this 5th unit for the board, I could say now that you have to just prepare for our environment, that is chapter number 15. So friends, that was all from my side, and there is also some changes into the practicals. Some of the practicals have been removed. So all that list I have shared in the link in the description below as a link. You can just go through it, and you can even check the authenticity by visiting the cbsc.nic.in site. So friends, I hope you like my video for today. If you like it, so just like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel Science Spirit. And also I'll be keep on sharing further CBSE circular and changes. So friends, see you in the next video.